Hello everyone, my name is Master Anil Sakhare, Assistant Professor from Neerachan Nemchan College of Commerce, Solapur. Today I am going to present my presentation on title Artificial Intelligence in Disaster Predictions. Natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, cyclones, and forest fires cause huge damage every year. Today, artificial intelligence is helping governments and disaster management agencies to predict these disasters in advance and allowing people to prepare and reducing the loss of lives and property. Let's understand how AI is transforming the disaster management. First is introduction. Artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science that enables the machines to perform the tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing the patterns, making the decisions, and solving the problems. In disaster management, AI analyzes large amounts of real-time information collected from satellites, weather stations, sensors, drones, and historical records. Based on this information, AI predicts possible disasters and sends early warning alerts to the authorities and the public. This allows rescue team to prepare in advance and help reduce the damage. Next is what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of the computers to think and learn from the experience without being directly programmed for every situation. Some common examples of AI in our daily life includes first is Google Maps suggesting the fastest route. Second, ChatGPT answering the questions. Third, face recognition in smartphones. Fourth, Netflix and YouTube recommendations. Similarly, AI is now being used in disaster management to analyze the environmental data and predict dangerous situations before they become disasters. What is disaster prediction? Disaster prediction means forecasting the possibility of a disaster before it happens. The main objective is to identify when and where a disaster might occur so that governments and people can prepare. AI helps predict many types of disasters such as floods, cyclones, earthquakes, forest fires, landslides, droughts, tsunamis. Although AI cannot stop natural disasters, it provides valuable time to reduce their impact. Next is why AI is needed. Climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of natural disasters. Traditional methods of monitoring the disasters are often slow because they require manual analysis of large amount of information. AI can process millions of data within the seconds and predict or detect hidden patterns and provide faster and more accurate predictions. This helps authorities make better decisions and issue timely warnings. Next is types of disasters AI can predict. AI used for predicting different types of disasters. For floods, it analyzes rainfall, river levels, and weather forecasts. For cyclones, it tracks wind speed, pressure, and satellite images. For earthquake, AI studies seismic activity. For forest fires, AI detects smoke and rising temperatures using satellite images and cameras. For landslides, it monitors rainfall, soil moisture, and slope conditions. This makes disaster prediction more accurate and efficient. Next is data source used by AI. AI depends on large amount of accurate data. Some important data sources include satellites that capture the images of the Earth. Second, weather stations that record rainfall, temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Third, river water sensors. Fourth, earthquake monitoring stations. Fifth, drones for aerial surveys. Sixth, Internet of Things or IoT sensors. Seventh, historical disaster records. Eighth, social media posts and emergency reports. Combining all these sources helps AI produce better predictions. Next is AI prediction workflow. The AI prediction process follows several steps. First is data is collected from different sources. Next, the data is cleaned and processed to remove the errors. Then, AI algorithms analyze the information and identify the patterns. Based on these patterns, AI predicts possible disasters. And finally, early warning alerts are sent to the governments, disaster management authorities, rescue teams, and the citizens. The entire process happens very quickly, allowing faster emergency response. Next is AI technologies. Several AI technologies work together. Machine learning learns from previous disaster data and improves predictions over the time. Deep learning analyzes satellite images using artificial neural network. Computer vision detects floods, smoke, damaged buildings, and the forest fires from images and videos. Natural language processing identifies or analyzes the news reports and social media posts to identify emergency situations. IoT sensors continually collect real-time environmental information. Together, these technologies make disaster predictions highly effective. Next is applications of AI. AI has many real-world applications. AI flood detections or predictions that AI estimates rainfall and predicts river overflow. In cyclone prediction, AI forests the path, the speed, and the strength of the storms. For earthquake, AI analyzes seismic signals to identify unusual activity. AI also detects forest fires at early stage and predicts landslide prone areas. These applications help the disaster management agencies to prepare well before disaster occur. Next, we'll study the case study that is Kerala floods in 2018. One important example is in the Kerala floods of 2018. Due to heavy rainfall caused severe flooding across the state, satellite images, rainfall forecast, and flood risk maps supported emergency planning and rescue the efforts. AI-assisted analysis helped the authorities to identify vulnerable areas, plan evacuation routes, and distribute relief more efficiently. This case shows How technology can improve disaster response. Advantage: AI offers many advantages. It provides faster and more accurate disaster predictions. It gives early warning alerts, helping people evacuate safely. AI supports rescue teams by identifying affected areas. It works continuously throughout the day and night. It reduces economic losses and improves overall disaster preparedness. Next is challenges. Although AI has many benefits, there are also some challenges. AI systems require high quality and accurate data. Installing satellites, sensors, and monitoring the system is expensive. Internet connectivity is necessary in many cases. Sometimes AI may produce incorrect predictions or false alarms. There are also concerns related to privacy and cybersecurity. These challenges must be addressed to improve AI systems. Next is future scope. The future of AI in disaster management is very promising. AI-powered drones will assist in rescue operations. Robots will enter dangerous areas where humans cannot go. Smart cities will use connected sensors for continuous monitoring. Digital twin technology will simulate disasters before they happen. Future AI systems will become faster, more accurate, and capable of providing real-time emergency support. To conclude, artificial intelligence is changing the way we predict and manage the disasters. Although AI cannot prevent natural disasters, but it helps prepare earlier, respond faster, and recover more effectively. By combining AI with satellites, sensors, drones, and modern communication systems, governments can protect more lives and reduce damage. The future of disaster management will depend greatly on intelligence technologies like AI. Thank you everyone for your attention.